So let's fix any problem you have in your Instagram story. So first thing you want to do to fix the problem is go to the settings and then go to the apps. Now on this page, as you may see right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it exactly like this. It will take you to the app informations page. Click on the force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data user. Make sure also to enable all these options and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.